Alright guys, so I'm here with my Alienware Aurora R5. My power supply was a piece of crap. It was real loud, and I went everywhere looking for a power supply to put on my new Aurora R5, and nobody could give me anything. So I ended up getting the A50 BQ. It does fit in there. The cables. Man, this cable's not so nice, but I gotta fix that up. I ended up putting 60 gigabytes of RAM. If the power supply of yours is making a lot of noise, just change it. This will fit on it. I just gotta fix the cables. I'll put a solid drive in it, and it's a lot better. It works way better than before. That noise was pissing me off. It's a short video, so y'all can see. You basically could fit any power supply here, I think, and it'll close too. Hold on, let me see if I can close it. I just gotta fix the cables real quick to close it. I know I closed it before, but yeah, it'll fit. Get a better power supply for this piece of crap. Thanks.